Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'm a SEBI-registered research analyst. I'm just hoping that you people are watching the videos that I'm making for you continuously. If you have noticed, this is my channel Stock Pro. If you have noticed that I have made this video on top secret revealed, will Bank Nifty be trending or not? If you have not watched it, please go ahead and watch it. And I have told that Bank Nifty, if it's going to break the high, and the methods also have told you, then Bank Nifty will be trending. And look at beautiful breakout in Bank Nifty that you have seen today. Market has been it just was a unidirectional trade today. Market was a single unidirectional trade today. And look at how beautifully market has given a breakout, whether it was Nifty or Bank Nifty. Both of them have given beautiful breakout. Then I have made a list of stocks yesterday. I made a video specially for you all. And one of the stock in that was Bank of Baroda. Bank of Baroda. Have a look at the unidirectional move that has come, right? Just see how unidirectional movement has come in this stock. Now I want to show you something more that I have made a list here. This is a list that I have made. Out of them, IT. None of the IT stock performed today. But have a look at Bank of Baroda. Have a look at Deepak Nitrite, given a very, very strong breakout. Have a look at Titan. It has given also a very, very beautiful breakout. Have a look at Oberoi Reality, made a high of almost 835. NTPC also gave a beautiful breakout in the morning and gave a high of 147. So this was a list that I have presented yesterday. So what I want to do in this particular video, I want to run through this, what happened in all the sectors today. So which sector moved the market today and which have retarded the market today? So before I go on to that, you go to any of my videos description box, you will find my Telegram link and you will find my live webinar link over there. Please join. We do live trading every single day, 10 to 11, and people make huge amount of money. Today we have given a lot of stocks in the live market, and people made good amount of money. So what I want to do now is show you what exactly happened in each of the sector. What were the top gainers? The first top gainer is basically energy. So all Torrent Power, Tata Power, NTPC or Power Grid, all the companies, Coal India, GAIL, all of them have given a beautiful breakout. Metal has also modified. In fact, on my Telegram channel, I have given a buy on Jindal Steel. Early morning, I have given a buy on Jindal Steel. See here, at about 9:31, I have given a buy on Jindal Steel. And our buy price was 347 and Jindal Steel made a high of, I think, 362. Jindal Steel. So the metal sector is recovering. I don't know how many of you have been hearing me clearly. It made a high of 362. We have bought its call option and we made good money. So what I'm saying that two sectors which really support Nifty's uplifting, one is the metal sector, the other is the banking sector. And both of them were positive today, whether you look into the Federal Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, 𝐶𝐭, Bank of Baroda, PNB, all of them have given a very, very beautiful breakout. So metal sector and CPSE and then PSU, public sector banks, what a beautiful breakout they have given today. Reality has given a good breakout. Private bank has given a good breakout. The sector which was lagging behind. So the sector which was lagging behind is actually IT. IT is the one which was under great stress. It was, in fact, if you have a look at all the stocks on the IT segment, most of them were actually under great stress, whether it is TCS or it is HCL Tech or it is Infi. TCS, HCL Tech, LTI, Infi, Mindtree, Naukri, Vsoft, all of them are under stress. So I'm not aware what's the news, but I'm 100% sure there is some news because of which there is some kind of a drop. So some of the points that I know about is that TCS has produced the results yesterday, and a lot of rating agencies have reduced the target, and they said it is actually underperformer. And similarly, many other stocks are under stress because of, I think, I need to check and get back to you on that. But a lot of IT stocks are under stress. So the sector which was lagging, today was IT sector. So I have some stocks on my radar for tomorrow, and the topmost stock that I have at this point of time is Dixon Tech. So Dixon Tech is looking very, very good to me. Look at this rock solid candle that has formed. It has demolished the uncertainty in the market for almost like many days, right? So I would say the buy started from this place, 3,500, and the second buying has been introduced at 36.25. So this stock looks very, very promising to me. This is my first stock on the radar. The second stock is PNB. PNB is also looking very, very good to me. But where do we need to buy now? 31.2. The next few stocks that I have on my radar is, as the metal sector has recovered, the next stock that I have on my radar is VEDL. Have a look at VEDL. Almost it's been range bound. It's not, it's trying to break through its range. We're going to enter in only after 236. When the stock crosses 236, we can look for a buying opportunity. Then I have JSW also on my radar, because similar thing, they have all been bottomed out and consolidating for a long period of time. This is where the sellers got introduced on the 20th of May at about 594. So if the stock crosses 594, I can think about going long in this particular stock. Then I have a very beautiful stock on my radar, which is IDFC First Bank. It's looking very promising to me at this point of time. Look at the price, beautifully consolidating above 34.7. I can say there will be a beautiful breakout, and target of 36, 37 could be easily expected. Then the next stock that I have on my radar is PIINT. This is the next stock that I have on my radar. Looks very beautiful, and we can buy it above this place, which is 2816. 2816 looks like a good place to take an entry. Look at the beautiful breakout that has come after this inside candle. 2816 or 2817 is where we will be taking an entry. Then the next stock that I am finding very good is Hind Petro. Hind Petro is looking extremely good, and reason is that it is consolidating, crossing this barrier which has been built up over a period of few months. Somewhere, see here, starting from 23rd May onwards, there has been a barrier which has been developed, and the barrier stands at 246.5. Crossing to 46.5 can lead to an upward journey in the stock. So that's my next stock. Then I'm looking for a buying opportunity in Lupin. So the sector which really gave a beautiful breakout today is the pharma sector as well. Along with energy, pharma has also given a beautiful breakout. Look at the candle that this stock is forming, open equal to low. Our buying opportunity will only come above 655. Then the next stock that we have on our radar is Dr. Reddy's. All this stock has already given a very, very beautiful breakout, but there has been a price rejection from the higher level. As the closing at 4,500, our buying opportunity lies here only, right at this place, 4,500 only. In case, now let me make a trading plan for you all. In case it opens away here, we will buy right when it crosses 4,500. In case it opens away here between 4,500 and 4,560, then we're going to buy when it crosses 4,560. So that is going to be our trading plan in Dr. Reddy's. Then the next stock that looks very, very good to me is Divis Laboratory. So Divis belonging to the pharma sector, and as pharma has given a beautiful breakout today, it looks promising. As have a look at the price. Price has been slowly shifting in the upward direction. Have a look at the price. Price has been slowly shifting in the upward direction. So crossing this barrier, crossing this barrier will lead for a movement in the upward direction. Our entry will be somewhere around 3750. Stop loss will be somewhere around 3660, and upward move till 3900 can definitely be expected. So in case you want to know like more about the entry and all, I give it in the live market. Come and join us in the live trading. Plus, you can also join this stock we gave in the live market as well over the live audience when we were doing the live trading. Join us at that time. You'll be able to make good money along with us. And yeah, be present on my Telegram channel. So you can go to the description box and find the link of channel. So the last stock that I'm giving you is right now 𝐿𝐶𝐻 Laboratories. Here is 𝐿𝐶𝐻 Laboratories beautifully making a double bottom, and now it stands on a zone where it is about to break it. Look at this beautiful double bottom, skewed double bottom. In fact, the price has shifted in upward direction above 3200, which is an integral number, which is a round number. We will definitely expect a breakout. And market, how does market look for tomorrow? Let's have a look at Nifty. So Nifty has taken a resistance from today's high. So that's a point to be concerned. You know, what is important for us to know that Nifty has to cross this important barrier of 16,250. If Nifty crosses this, then an upward movement can definitely be expected. Let me have a look at Bank Nifty. In fact, you know, Bank Nifty looks more promising than Nifty. Bank Nifty was a unidirectional trade and it looks more promising. So above 35,600 in futures, if it breaks 35,600, we can definitely expect another a target till about 36,000. So with this, I'm signing off. Your host, Dr. Seema Jain. I'll see you on my Telegram channel for the live trading. Link is in the description box. See you there.